Guys, welcome to today's video. And today we are breaking down a JavaScript calculator step by step. You will learn how to manage state, update the display, handle user inputs, and compute results. By the end, you can build and extend this yourself. So let's jump in. Okay, so here is the interface of our app. Two display lines over here. Uh, Previous operand on top, and then we have the current operand below. Yeah, you can see from our JavaScript. We have grid of buttons, numbers, operators, equals, clear entry, and backspace. Data attributes like data number and data action let JavaScript understand what was clicked. So going back to our HTML, we can see that we have attributes like data action for our buttons. We also have data numbers that tells JavaScript that the button being clicked is a number, and the data action tells JavaScript that the button that is being clicked is an operator. Okay, so move on to the state variables. Our app tracks four key pieces of state: current operand, uh, current operand, the number the user is typing, previous operand, the stored value when an operator is chosen, and then operation, which operator is active, then the just calculated, that will be displaying true right after the equal sign is being pressed. Okay, so these control how input flows through the calculator. Moving on to updating the display, this function pushes states into the UI. Sorry, the current line shows current operand or zero if empty. So going back to the app, you can see that here we have zero over here since nothing is being entered. So the previous line shows previous operand plus the operator symbol. A small help maps operation names to symbols like plus, minus, times, and then divide. Appending numbers and decimals. Append number function, yeah, this function handles digits and dots. It blocks multiple decimal points. It avoids leading zeros. If the last action was equals, typing starts a fresh number. This keeps inputs clean and predictable. Choosing operations and maintaining. The choose operation function sets the active operator and prepares for the next number. If a previous operation exists, we compute first to support chaining. Example, 2 plus 3 equals 4. The calculator calculates step by step like a classic calculator, not PEMDATs or precedence. Let's see that by the practical. We say 2 plus 3 yeah, times 4. Yeah. So moving on to computing results. Compute. This function compute passes the previous and current values as floats, runs the correct arithmetic based on the active operation, divides divide by zero, shows error instead of crashing. After computing, we store the result as the new current number and reset state for the next step. Formatting results Floating point math can be messy. 0.1 plus 0.2 is a common example. Format results format results rounds to about 12 decimal places. Then we trim trailing zeros for a clean display. Results look professional and readable. Moving on to the clear entry and then backspace. Clear resets everything. Clear entry resets only the current number. Backspace deletes the last character. If you just press equals, backspace resets to 0. These tools make correcting input fast. Button handling. Uh, all buttons are all buttons share one handler. If a button has data button, so let's move on to this attribute. If a button has this attribute as data number, we append that number. Otherwise, we switch on data action for clear, delete operations, or equals. Simple routing keeps the code easy to follow. Okay, so since we've seen how our apps look like, let us try work through them to see how the app works. Uh, so clear entry. Let me start. Let's try 7.5 times 2. What are we getting? We're getting 15. So watch how we can see how the previous operation and current change at each step. So let's take it back again. That's 7.5. Uh, the moment you press the multiply operator, we can see that our value just moved to the previous operand, which stores the data we just inputted. So adding 2 and pressing it gets 15 and it resets everything. So thanks for watching. Links to the code and slides are in the description. If this helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.